Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the basics of scales of measurement, a fundamental concept in statistics and research. Understanding these scales is essential because they help us categorize and analyze data correctly. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick refresher, we will break down the four main types: nominal, ordinal, interval, and the ratio scales with easy to understand examples for each. By the end, you will have a clear grasp on how to apply these scales in your own research or analysis projects. So let's get started. Scales of measurements categorize variable based on the level of information they convey. There are mainly four types of scale of measurement: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval, and ratio scale. Understanding scales of measurement help in choosing the correct statistical analysis and method. In your research, if you understand the appropriate scale of measurement, then you will be able to select appropriate statistical analysis for particular scale. So first of all, we see that nominal scale. Nominal scale is a variable in categories without a specific order, just label or name. For example, in a survey you ask students, what is your favorite social media? And the response is Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Now you can nominate of these information. For example, you nominate the Facebook as 1, YouTube as 2, TikTok as 3, and WhatsApp as 4. You can also nominate these variable as, for example, Facebook, you can categorize Facebook as 3, YouTube as 1, and TikTok as 4, and WhatsApp as 2. By doing this, you have the same amount of information this. So the data is classified into distinct groups and there is no inherited ranking. Next is our ordinal scale. Ordinal scale categorizes data with a specific order but without fixed interval between the ranks. For example, you want to know the frequency of the social media use ranked by the students, and it may be rarely, sometimes, often, and very often, or very often, sometimes, and rarely. It means you may rank the values descending or ascending order, but you cannot rank the values without any order. Means there will not any haphazard order of the values. So here the order is meaningful, but the difference between the rarely and the sometime is not quantifiable. So you can see that here we can see the order between the responses or values, but we cannot quantify the value of sometime and often or very often to often. Next over is interval scale. Interval scale order categorized with equal distances between values but not to zero. In this variable, there is no true zero. For example, outside the temperature during the use of the social media use, and the responses were the category 0 to 10 degree, 10 to 20 degree, 20 to 30 degree, and 30 greater than 30 degree. So the temperature interval is the meaningful, but the 0 degree does not mean that complete absence of the temperature. In interval scale, 0 does not mean absence of the particular thing. The next is the ratio scale. Ratio scale measures the data with equal intervals and a true zero point, allowing the meaningful comparison of magnitudes. For example, if you ask the number of social media posts made by the students per week, and if their responses are 0 posts, 5 posts, 3 posts, 15, 12, or 2, etc., a value of 0 indicate that student did not make any posts. 0 mean absence of that particular phenomena. And the comparisons such as twice as many posts are possible. We can compare. For example, if we want to compare 3 and 15, then we can say that the response 15 is 5 times more than the 3, or 3 times more than the 5. Here is a quiz time. There is a short quiz for you. Kindly go through these questions related to the topic you learned that, and try to give a answer to yourself. Just have a look, read this, try this. Key will be shared very shortly. Okay, now countdown is start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the answer. Hope you have correctly defined, mark all the answers. Well done. If there is some issues, please go through the video again, and you will understand the concept very well. If you have any question regarding this, you can put your answer question in the comments, and I will try to address that. So we conclude our video now. Understanding scales of the measurement is essential for accurate data analysis across the various fields. It is very important, helps in selecting appropriate statistical test and the interpreting data correctly. If you have some data, explore which scale fits your data and apply the right statistical tool. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the knowledge you will learn. Thank you.